Hello everyone, I am Rakshit Pai and in today's social media question series, I'll answer the following question. What is the stock market? Why should you invest in the Indian stock market? The stock market is a market for shares of listed companies. It is a platform for interested buyers and sellers to trade in any company listed in the Indian stock market. A stock or share, sometimes known as firm's equity, is a financial instrument that reflects ownership in a company or corporation and represents a proportionate claim on its asset and earnings. If you want to own a piece of a company, that is the equity share, then you have to have a demat account via which you can have access to the Indian stock market, where you can buy stock in a company if you are optimist and sell stock in a company if you are a pessimist. Now, as far as why you should invest in the Indian stock market is concerned, India's GDP is set to grow at a double-digit rate for the next few years. And with such growth in our production, a great deal of credit goes to Indian listed companies. And a known fact is that these listed large cap, mid cap and even small cap companies have the ability to grow at a much faster pace than our country's nominal GDP. So if a country grows, its companies will also grow and vice versa. When the situation is such that the economy is recovering and India is the fastest growing nation with the most favorable companies to invest in, it would be a sin to not invest in Indian companies. So should you invest now? Well, the market is already at its all-time high. We may have minor correction here on, but investing in the Indian stock market is a long-term game. So invest keeping a long-term view in mind and invest wisely. It is said that 20 years before was the best time to invest in the Indian stock market and the second best time is now. No one can say for sure what ought to happen in the next near future. We can speculate but not with certainty. But each and every one of us can with guarantee agree one fact, which is that India is going to be the strongest economy in the world and such an economy needs many more large and strong companies to back it. We have a huge source of household savings that are yet to be invested in the equity market, and mark my words, in next 10 years equity will be the most favored asset class amongst Indians. So I hope that answers your question. Thank you for watching.